All right, so this article is coming from the fxstreet.com. Euro Japanese yen sustains upside for the third consecutive day. The euro Japanese yen pair maintains its gains, continuing its upward trajectory for the third consecutive day. Currently, it is oscillating above the significant 150 level. That's big, right? Round hold psychological number, signaling a strong bullish sentiment. Despite the recent weakness in Germany's Q1 GDP figures, the pair maintains a positive outlook, even reaching its weekly high around 150.80. However, it is essential to consider the impact of the Tokyo CPI in May, which had recently disappointed, falling below consensus expectations and previous values. Consequently, bond yields have declined on expectations that the Bank of Japan will maintain its age-old ultra-loose stance on interest rates. The EURJPY has a bullish outlook for the short term as per the daily chart. The RSI and moving average divergence are both in positive territory, and the pair trades above its main moving averages, indicating that the buyers are in charge. Right, so all the technicals indicators are pointing to go long Euro JDP. However, let's go to charts to confirm that. So this is the monthly chart. And what you can see is that there is some, I'm going to say, resistance, which was support at the 152.00 level. However, what you can see is above this level, it is smooth sailing. It is smooth sailing all the way up to the highs of 168. Now, I don't know if prices are going to get back there in the coming months, but there are no sellers again on the monthly chart. All right, let's go down to the and look at this level here. Let's see what this is here. This is called a wick over wick move. Let's see what that is. And let's just put that in red. Obviously, that was once a level as it worked here, but we're going to look at that a bit more. Prices are pretty much closed above that level, but I'd like to investigate. All right, nothing. I don't see anything. Okay. However, what we saw was the wicks on the monthly chart. You had buyers. Price eventually broke through. I'm going to take this off. And now what was support is going to be resistance. You can see price pulled back already once, but that was a great opportunity to buy. You had a rally in price, one basic candle, and then a rally higher, taking out the pivot high to the left. That was weekly buyers at the 146, we'll say 0.75. That did work out very nicely, although you had to have patience because you were tested. All right. Now I want to investigate, are there any weekly sellers anywhere? Maybe at the 155 level. Okay, I'm going to drill down to the daily chart, and you can see that on the daily chart you had a huge move higher, again ran into resistance, pulled back, prices came all the way down to the bottom portion of this zone, before shooting higher. Now let's examine on the daily chart, see if there are any daily sellers. Alright, so you're going to have some resistance at the 155 level. You see how price spiked higher? Not once, but twice. So there appears to be daily sellers. I'm going to say at the 157.60. Now, the fact that you have a weak yen, and you're probably going to see the euro potentially continue to increase their rates, despite the resistance at the 152 level. You want to buy this pair on pullbacks because you have another 500 pips of profit potential as a target 1, and then an additional 300 pips to target 2. Let's put that in blue and call that daily sellers at the 157.75. All right, you do have support at the 149 level. That could potentially be a buying opportunity if price pulls back, which is where you also have the 13 and the 26 simple moving average serving as support. Ideally, you want to clear this pivot high, so it will look something like this. That would be ideal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.